Hey boys and girls, it's me Francesca and I'm here for Art Hour. Today I thought it'd be kind of cool if we could make a spooky cat. You could do this for Halloween. I thought it'd be kind of fun project after your trick-or-treating. What you're going to need for your project for your spooky cat is a piece of paper, some glue. You can use a glue stick too, a Sharpie, a scissor, and I got this little it's kind of like a sponge paintbrush, and I use it whenever I do some projects with glue. It's kind of it's nice to work with. And you're going to need to pick two colors for your spooky cat. I chose black and purple, and what you're going to have to do is, if you have for the body of the cat, whatever color you chose, you need to rip up little pieces of paper. And of course I ripped up a lot of little black pieces. And then for the eyes, I chose purple. So you have to pick up, tear up a little bit of purple paper, whatever color you chose for your eyes. And so now what we're going to do is we are going to draw your cat first, your spooky cat. And how you're going to make the body is I did kind of like a triangle. It started as a triangle and then I did a line across. But I will show you first, obviously. So it's kind of like I'm starting a triangle. Like this. And then I just did a line across. And it kind of, now that I look at it, looks like a volcano. Okay, so then next we are going to do the head. So you could just do a circle. It looks kind of funny right now, but believe me, it'll come together just like that. Okay, and then the ears. So we're going to have to do two ears, and those are triangles, and we're going to put that on top of your spooky cat's head, of course. So here's two triangles, just like that. And then the eyes. You can just do two circles. I did two teardrops. These teardrops are like sideways teardrops to me, or raindrops, just like that. Okay, so now that we've finished creating our cat on the paper, our spooky cat, we get to do the fun part, which is adding glue to our cat and adding our little pieces of scrap paper. So first we're going to take the glue and we're going to just put a lot of glue onto the body of the cat first. The spooky cat. Keep on remembering spooky cat. Okay, so we're going to put glue on that of the body, the spooky cat. And use a good amount, because once we start putting our little pieces of paper onto our cat, we need a lot. So we're going to take our little pieces of paper that we cut up, and we're going to put them on the body of the cat, and you could do it any way you like. Just all over the body of the cat. Almost done. What I like about this project is when you see the cat, it's really cool, because the paper is like it's not solid paper on the cat. It's like all different pieces of paper like we're doing, obviously, but it looks really cool. Almost done. Okay. Oops, one more. Okay. So the body is going to look like that. So now next we are going to do the head of our spooky cat, and we are going to add glue just to the head of the spooky cat. Not in the eyes just yet, or the ears. We're just doing the head of the spooky cat. Okay, once you have gotten all your glue on the head of the spooky cat, you get to start to add your black paper again. Okay, so then again, we're taking the black paper and we're putting it all over the head of the spooky cat, not getting it in the eyes, not getting it in the ears, just all over the face. Almost done. Besides making a spooky cat, you can also do a pumpkin. I did a pumpkin, it's really cool. Oh, and I also did a candy corn. That was awesome. Really easy. and I will show you guys. I will show you guys in the comments below. See the other things I created. Once you put all your little pieces of scrap paper on your spooky cat, just kind of push down and make sure they're all there, stuck on. So there's the face. Okay, so now we're going to do the eyes. We're going to take our glue again. We're going to put glue in the eyes. And then also in the ears. Remember to use a good amount of glue. Don't be shy with the glue. Okay, now this is important. The next paper we're going to start adding to our spooky cat is the purple for the eyes. So then we just put the purple all in the eyes of our spooky cat. It's only like 3 pieces in each eye. One more. Okay, and then we're going to take the black paper and we're going to put it in the ears of our spooky cat. And we're almost done. And it doesn't have to be super neat. That's what's kind of cool about this project. You can just be messy and it's fun because then your cat comes out really cool. Your spooky cat. Okay, so now just make sure we're all glued down. Okay, I will show you actually how I did the eyes and the ears. Just like that. And now what we're going to do is we are going to put little lines in the eyes of the spooky cat. Black lines. So you take some glue first, put them in the eyes of your spooky cat. And what I did is I literally just tore kind of like long pieces of paper, black paper, for the eyes of my spooky cat. Just a little bit more here. Okay. Just like that. It's really cool. Okay, now this is the fun part because I love glitter, and who doesn't like, you know, making stuff with glitter? Okay, so you take your glue again, and you're just going to put your glue anywhere you like on your spooky cat. Just spread it around there. I'm actually going to put some in the eyes. Okay, and then you take your glitter, open it up, and put it all over. And I chose orange because it's Halloween. And what's cool is you put it all over your spooky cat, wherever you put that glue. And then once you've done that, you can take your paper and just kind of put it over a piece of a bowl or whatever you have on the side of your art project. Get all that glitter off. And there's a spooky cat. He's pretty cool. Okay, now I think it's really important that when you finish your spooky cat, and then you have to cut it out. What would be really cool, and if you'd probably need like a little kid's scissors there. What would be really cool is if you cut your cat out and you put it, you glue it onto another piece of paper that has, you know, like a pattern on it. Obviously, these are stripes, and it has orange and black. So I thought it'd be really cool. I think this spooky cat is going to look awesome on this paper, and I will show you in the comments below after you see the video. Okay, guys. Well, happy Halloween, and I hope you have fun making your spooky cats. Bye.